What's up? It's your boy SSI Native, and today I'm doing an interior swap. As you can see over here, I got everything, well, mostly everything. I have all the pillars, the fuse cover, I have all the rear quarter panels, all the parts for the other panel where the rear window is at. I'm still missing the doors and the headliner, but it's really simple to take apart. Just like for this, the little footstep, really just pull on it. Oh, that's dirty. And it just comes out. And so that's basically it for everything else. Same thing here. This top pillar just comes off as you pull it. The same thing for the other side. As long as you tug it with a little bit of force, it should come right out. Check off all these from both sides. Still super dirty.
Because look, this side isn't too. Oh,
what?
I see why. You just pull on it, that's all.
Is this supposed to be pulled on?
No, you.
Oh, you yank the whole thing?
You're gonna compress it and push the whole thing out, I think.
So for today, we're just trying to get all this stuff out. So basically the sides, and this top pillar, and the whole rear. And then another day, I'm going to try to. Oh, the center console is really easy to do. There's only like, I think it's like four bolts holding it in. But the dash, that's really hard to do, and I haven't seen anybody do it, so it's kind of hard. I do have some kind of plan by Ford that shows where all like the bolts are at, so I'm gonna see if I can do that. Should probably help me out a bit. It does have a few. The harder parts are going to be wiring and taking out the whole steering column, but we'll see how it works out. Hopefully it's a lot easier than it looks like it's going to be. Then I still don't have these. The plan is to get 13 or 14 premium, the black doors, the door panels. I like those. They say it fits, that this just goes back a little bit than it is, but that's fine. It looks nice when it's closed. And other than that, I'm trying to get steering wheel. Did it come out?
No, but I'm assuming the way to bring it out is you're gonna have to pop it out.
Like yank it?
Yeah. Because it'll bring
the back part didn't come out?
No, because it's just like a little push pin, and the pin has to pop out along with this. So you kind of just have to like pull on this. But you have to get it like, to come along in your direction.
I mean, if it breaks, dude.
It's not gonna break, but that's just the way these pins are made.
No, I'm saying if we gotta break them, which I doubt we'll have to, but
You don't have to.
yeah, I want to get a look at that.
I got it off.
But the back part still's not coming out?
I was gonna get the seatbelt out of the way. It will. Watch, you just pop it up.
You
Got
good?
it out, yeah. But it popped out exactly the way I told you it would. Only the pin came out. It didn't break. What's it stuck on? Oh, the carpet.
Oh yeah, there's a little push pin there.
Oh, you see? That's the way it is, you see? The pin just comes out.
Does it fit? Dude, it's coming out straight. Bring it out straight. Like lay it down. Damn, son. It's a big push pin. Yeah, closer every second. What are you looking at?
How the hell did I get this to come out if the pin's still there? It didn't break. It didn't break, right?
Let me go check. The top one, right?
Yeah, but it's still there.
No, it didn't break.
Exactly, so how did it come out?
I had no idea.
I have.
Is it harder to pull out like that? Or is it
No.
easier?
It pulls out pretty easily.
Well, as long as we can get it out, it doesn't matter. Good job. This is the easier part right now.
I'm just trying to get the pin out. It's almost out. It's out.
Did you say you did this part?
What?
Did you say you did this part?
I didn't.
Did you said you just yanked on it?
Just,
Where'd you yank on it first from? From up here?
Right
From
there.
this side?
yeah, pull up and out. Because you're going to want to start from the bottom. Remember, take out the pin from the bottom.
Like this?
Yeah, there's a pin down there, though, remember?
Oh yeah, this one.
It should pop out pretty easily. And then you can pull out and up.
Like that?
Yeah. And then just stick your hand right. Yeah, that's it. And then you just pull this up right here, and you'll bring the pin along with you if you pull it out.
What are you looking at?
I'm trying to take this pin out so you can put that in. There, got it out.
I'm not trying to break this pin.
You're gonna have to pull.
I got it out. Oh, but look.
That's fine. Let's still slide back in.
Where's the other shoe?
There's nothing in there. That's all it is.
Here. I put these over there.
Where?
We got both of them out.
Just put them in. Wait, where'd you put the other?
Up there. So right now we have most of it out. The quarter panels were actually a lot easier to take out than I thought they were going to be. Look how dirty these are. So everything came out, nothing broke. Now we're straight gutted. We just gotta take off these, and for this, that just comes off. That's the only thing holding it. It's a 14mm socket. I checked it before, so it should be easy. As soon as we take those out, the seatbelt thing should just come off, and then we can just pull those out and start putting everything on, and then we'll focus on the rest later. So let's do that.
Just free spinning. That's it.
Yeah, it's super easy, I'm telling you.
That's
Just-
it. Then that's all you need to do. Just leave it hanging right there.
We'll just pull this out.
Assuming it's the same process.
Yeah, it's just clips.
What about back then? Clips?
Yeah, it's all clips. Damn, these are filthy too.
Take off your roof right now.
Without having the...
Gut it. man.
You give me right here?
What's the
No, I'm not
issue?
gonna put him on.
No, but look, they're different colors.
I know,
That's all.
but I'm not putting him on.
So what are you gonna do?
Alright, so that's it for today's video of taking everything off. The next video, which we're still gonna do right now, but it's just gonna be too long to have them both be the same thing. We're gonna put everything else on, and then the third video is probably gonna be us taking off the dash, and then the fourth one will probably be putting everything back on. So thanks for watching. We'll see you then.